Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cycle Tongkat Ali. Understanding the correct way to cycle this powerful herb is essential for maximizing its benefits and preventing your body from developing a tolerance. We'll cover why cycling is so important, recommended durations for both on and off periods, and how to integrate it effectively into your routine. This approach ensures you get the most out of Tongkat Ali for sustained well-being. When it comes to cycling Tongkat Ali, there are a few common approaches. Many people find success with an 8 to 10 week on period, followed by a 2-week break. Another popular method is a 5 days on, 2 days off weekly cycle. Some prefer longer breaks, like 1 month off after 3 months of consistent use. The key is to listen to your body and adjust as needed for optimal results. Regarding dosage, a common range is between 200 and 400 milligrams per day. It's generally recommended to take Tongkat Ali in the morning, often with a meal to aid absorption. Some individuals prefer to split their daily dose, taking half in the morning and the other half in the afternoon. Maintaining consistency with your chosen timing throughout your on cycle is crucial for experiencing the full benefits. Adhering to a proper cycling protocol for Tongkat Ali offers several significant advantages. Primarily, it prevents your body from developing a tolerance, ensuring the herb remains effective over time. This cycling also allows your natural hormone production to regulate itself periodically, promoting overall balance. By taking strategic breaks, you maintain the long-term efficacy of Tongkat Ali and can potentially reduce the likelihood of any unwanted side effects. It's a smart approach for sustained wellness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.